Hi, welcome to Bestile. Today we are going to show you how to mount your photos in our Bestile 12 by 12 inches.
Plastic. It is a very integrated one-piece structure. This structure to warranty, no damages and no scratches during the international shipments. You just use your hand to break it. Press it a little bit to open it. It is one-piece configuration. It comes with plexiglass, self-adhesive foamboard for mounting your photo, and the back frame with a removable sticker for hanging, and this one for the traditional hanging. Let's get it started to mount your photos, your favorite pictures on the self-adhesive foamboard built-in Bestile. Put the foamboard in a flat table. Release the protective paper for the sticky side. Just remove a small area at the beginning. Take one of your favorite photos. Use your hand to press onto the foamboard. At the same time, peel away the release paper. Press the picture onto the foam. Now the photo is mounted on the foamboard. The next step, we're using plexiglass. For protection purpose. Plexiglass is this two-side protective film, which we need to peel it away. Inside the photo. Use the back frame to cover it. Simple steps. Even the kids know how to frame it. Elegant, simple, and gorgeous, timeless. Using Bestile to save your best memories and painting art. Contact us for free samples. The hanging, two options available. Removable tape for no damages hanging, and traditional hook for traditional hanging.